Cracks in concrete are the worst. One day your driveway looks great, and the next day a whole mini Grand Canyon is running through it. But don't worry, you don't need to call in a pro or spend a ton of cash to fix it up. In this video, I'm going through the 10 best concrete crack fillers. We're talking fast-drying formulas, waterproof options, heavy-duty epoxy for those deep cracks, and smooth fixes for the small stuff. Whether it's your garage floor, sidewalk, or patio that needs a little love, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the concrete crack fillers mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you can find the one that suits your needs. Number 10 is the Sashco Slab. This is the most inexpensive choice on our list. Slab is a water-based, gray, sealant, concrete crack filler that arrives ready to use in a 10.5-ounce cartridge. The texture even mimics brushed concrete, so once it cures, it blends in instead of standing out. The thing that sets it apart is its stretch. It can expand up to 300% of its original size and still hang on. That means it won't tear loose the first time your driveway heats up in July or freezes in January. It also spans gaps up to 3 inches wide with zero slump, sticks to concrete, brick, or stone, and supports both foot and vehicle traffic. Driveways, sidewalks, basement floors, even vertical step faces. It works everywhere. There's no mixing, no powder, and not even a harsh solvent smell. Just load a standard caulk gun, squeeze, and tool the bead with a wet finger. And the fix is waterproof, paintable, and covered by Sashco's lifetime warranty, so you're not crawling around every spring repatching the same line. Number 9 is the Drylock Fast Plug. This is the fastest drying product on our list. Fast Plug is a hydraulic cement powder that stops active water in its tracks. Just add 1 scoop of clean water to 3 scoops of powder, mix for 30 seconds, and you have a butter-thick putty that sets in 3 to 5 minutes. Once it locks, it can hold back up to 3,050 pounds of hydrostatic pressure, so it's perfect for basement wall leaks or a crack that sweats every time it rains. Now, the mix expands as it cures, wedging itself into place instead of shrinking away. You can also press bolts, hooks, or railing posts into the wet patch and anchor them solidly. Use it inside or outside, above or below grade. And you don't need a top coat, but regular masonry paint will stick the next day. Just be ready before you stir. This stuff starts to harden the second the water hits, so mix only what you can place right at the crack. Number 8 is the PC Concrete. This is the best epoxy crack filler on our list. PC Concrete is a 2-part structural epoxy packaged in a double-barrel cartridge. Just slide it into a compatible epoxy gun, squeeze, and the static mix nozzle blends parts A and B for you. It gives you 20 minutes of working time at 75 degrees Fahrenheit and becomes completely solid about 4 hours later, which is plenty of time for filling wall cracks or embedding threaded rods. The gel formula clings to vertical surfaces and resists moisture while it cures. Plus, it can handle temperatures from -20 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit once hardened. Strength-wise, this stuff is solid. It's over 10,000 psi in compressive strength, so it outperforms typical patching cement and won't pop loose during seasonal slab movement. You can use it to bond rebar, glue a broken stoop corner, or seal hairline cracks that need a rock-hard repair. Just remember, you'll need that special caulk gun, and each disposable nozzle is single-use because epoxy sets inside it. Number 7 is the Damtite Super Patch. This is the best one for waterproofing on our list. Super Patch is shipped as a 2-component kit, which includes a measured pail of powder and a matching bottle of liquid polymer. Just mix them together to obtain a creamy mortar that can be feather-edged or built up to 1 inch thick in one pass, and almost 3 inches with layers. Once cured, it forms a high-strength, non-shrink, waterproof finish that bonds not only to concrete and brick, but even to glass, wood, and aluminum. That strong adhesion makes it great for spots where a slab meets a metal post or where a masonry wall meets a wooden stair tread. Whether you're addressing cracks in a concrete surface or repairing a crumbling step corner, simply pack Super Patch into the damaged area and let it cure. It works above or below grade, even indoors or outdoors, and stands up to freeze-thaw cycles without cracking or dusting. Number 6 is the Red Devil Premixed Concrete Patch. This is the best option for large cracks on our list. If you hate mixing, this one comes pre-mixed for you. Just scoop out the gray, sand-textured paste and press it into holes or gaps wider than a typical caulk can handle. And it won't shrink or crack as it dries, so you can fill deep recesses in layers and come back to a flush finish. The color dries to a light to medium gray that blends with most broom-finished slabs. Now, the formula is flexible enough to shrug off minor slab movement, but cures hard enough for foot traffic on patios, garage floors, and decks. Though it's not rated for asphalt, so skip it for expansion joints in the driveway if you have an asphalt one. Cleanup is also simple with just soap and water, and because it's pre-mixed, you can twist the lid back on and save what's left for the next time. Also, if you want to know the latest prices for the crack fillers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. That way, we'll earn small commissions while the cost remains the same for you, which is a nice way to support us in making more of these videos for you. Number 5 is the Quickrete Concrete Crack Seal. This is the best for small cracks on the list. The squeeze bottle makes this concrete crack filler a breeze. Snip the tip, shake well, and pour the thin self-leveling liquid into cracks up to a ½ inch wide. It flows to the bottom and skins over in about 30 minutes. Full hardness comes in 24 hours, after which you can add a second coat if the level drops. Because it's water-based, and cleanup needs just a damp rag. Now here are some pro tips from installers. First, get the depth right on the first pass, and then leave it alone. Second, poking the bead after that early skin forms can rough up the surface. And the third one is keep a nail or small wire handy. The nozzle can clog if dried material forms inside. Also, if you use it within its size range, it's a quick, low-mess way to stop hairline cracks from spreading. Number 4 is the Raiden Seal DIY Repair Kit. This is the best choice for foundations on our list. Instead of patching from the outside, this kit seals poured wall cracks from the inside using low-pressure polyurethane injection. The 2-part urethane starts as a thin liquid that travels the full depth of the wall, then expands up to 35 times to form a flexible, watertight foam. That flexibility keeps the seal tight, even if the wall shifts a bit later. Everything you need comes right in the box, like surface ports, 2 cartridges, mixing tips, and even gloves. You don't need a hammer drill. The ports glue over the crack, and you can inject with a standard caulk gun. Now, one standard kit covers about 10 feet of vertical crack, but larger 20-foot versions are also available. Once cured, the foam blocks groundwater, soil gases, and radon, and gives you a pro-level fix without the contractor bill. Number 3 is the Rustoleum Patch and Repair. This is the best all-purpose product on our list. This is a pocket-sized epoxy flooring system. It comes with 2 cans, Part A and Part B. You just have to mix it using a 2-to-1 ratio to make a fluid paste that seeps deep into cracks. Just make sure you mix it quickly before it thickens. It bonds so tightly that the repaired spot is actually stronger than the surrounding concrete, yet it doesn't shrink or pull away as it cures. Now, the working time is brief, but not chaotic. You can apply patches in the morning, and then you can paint or coat 8 hours later. Because it's solvent-free, there's no harsh smell, and that's why it's safe for basements or enclosed porches. Overall, if you need one kit that handles almost any repair and still takes a top coat, this is it. Number 2 is the DAP Concrete Crack Filler. This is the best powdered option on our list. This concrete filler takes the mess out of dry repair mixes. It is filled with a water-activated powder. Sweep the crack, pour the powder in up to ½ inch deep and wide, level it, then mist with a spray bottle. The surface sets hard in about 4 hours, and it's strong enough for vehicle traffic after 48 hours. And because the repair is all mineral, it resists UV fading and won't shrink as moisture leaves. Plus, there's no liquid binder to separate in storage, no premix that dries in the tub. Just reseal the lid and store the rest for later. Also, make sure to use a KN95 mask while using it to avoid inhaling any particles. You can use it inside or out, from patio slabs to warehouse aisles, just whenever you need an economical cement-based fix that still handles real weight. Number 1 is the Sycoflex Self-Leveling Sealant. This is the best overall option on our list. Sycoflex is a single-component polyurethane that pours like syrup and levels itself. That means you don't need any tools, just mask the edges of the joint, cut the nozzle, and let gravity do the work. It bridges gaps up to 1.5 inches wide, cures to a rubbery, permanently elastic seal, and stays waterproof even under occasional ponding. Also, the sealant bonds to concrete, cement board, and most masonry without primer, which makes it ideal for long driveway joints, garage floors, balconies, and loading docks, basically anywhere horizontal slabs move. Full cure varies with depth, but the bead skin's in around 4 hours. After that, you can paint it with water or oil-based coatings. Just keep in mind one thing: lay a light board or drop cloth over the joint until it's tack-free, because dust and leaves stick like glue to fresh Sycoflex. It's available in 10-ounce or 29-ounce cartridges, so grab the heavy-duty caulk gun if you choose the big tube. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect concrete crack filler for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you found a crack filler you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.